Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to insert less than and greater than symbol in Word document like this one. This is pretty simple and easy. Let's get started. For this you need to click on the insert and click on the equations and click on the insert new equation. So an equation editor box will be open up. You need to click on this arrow and now click on this arrow and select the operators. So in the advanced relational operators you need to find here, and here it is. You can see that here it is. Just need to click insert it. So moreover, if you have a numeric side keypad, then you can use an alt code. That is, you need to hold down the alt key first and then type 8822 and release the alt key, and here you can see that. Moreover, there is another Unicode shortcut. If you don't have numeric keypad, then you need to place your cursor where you want the symbol and then type the hex code 2276 and press the alt x alt together. The text 2276 will instantly convert into greater than and less than symbol. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.